welcome students. Today it's raining, so I thought to have a vocabulary rain related. Okay, so our first word is drizzle. Drizzle is a noun and its meaning is a light rain, very light rain. Okay, you can use it in a sentence that Pakistan would be drizzling today. The second word of the day is pouring rain. Pouring is a verb, okay, and rain actually is a noun. Okay, pouring rain means a very heavy rain. Okay, you can use it in a sentence that she waited for her car in the pouring rain.